Hello everyone, how to towards back with another new video, and in this video I'm going to share with you how to change app language in Litmatch make new friends app. So I can say this is the English. By default it's English. If you want to change the language, then you can easily do this thing. So how can you do this thing? So here I can see it's called profile icon, right bottom corner on your screen. Simply tap on that, and after that you can see the settings icon top right corner. So simply tap on that, and after that you can see language. So tap on that, and there are some fixed language. You can see Thai, Vietnamese, Indonesian, Japanese, Chinese, Malaysia, Spanish, Portuguese, Turkish, Russian, and Arabic language is available. So you can choose anything you want. If you choose, then it's Vietnamese or English, and after that simply tap on the done. Once you tap on the done, then it's okay. So okay friend, I hope this video is helpful for you. So today's number, and thank you for watching.